One thing you should notice that babies learn by example. If you are trying to train your child on how to sleep and you yourself you are not also practicing sleep hygiene, your child may find it difficult to sleep. So we are the best teacher of our parents. When you are trying to make your child to wind down and sleep, you should also be winding down and sleeping alongside your baby so that both of you will wake up the following morning refreshed, energetic to face the following day. This is especially important for new mothers. When I gave birth to my baby, we were given this instruction during our prenatal classes, but I didn't really adhere to it because I was a working class mother. When my baby is sleeping, I see that as a time to do some house chores to do some updating in my work because I was currently working remotely. I was working from home. This really affected me because my baby will wake up and me, I am so tired. I'm not giving him all that he needs. It was very, very stressful. And I was not having the joy of becoming a mother. It was as if everything was just pulling down on me. And then one night I was thinking, why am I feeling this way? Do I have to get a living nanny and everything? And then it clicked. I remembered the word of that midwife telling us that once your baby sleep, you're supposed to sleep with your baby so that you will be refreshed and energetic the following day. So after that slight adjustment, once it is 6:30, we'll start winding down. I'll boil the water for bathing. I'll prepare him for bed. He will eat, and then me too. I'll wash up and change for the night, and then dim the light. We'll both get into the bed. Net bed I put on the bed so that once he fall asleep, I can now move him to his own sleep. So I lie down on the bed beside him. Since I hum a song. Sometimes I'll just be calm and quiet and close my eyes, pretending to be sleeping. And then once he fall asleep, I'll just try to round up whatever I have to do within 1 hour, 30 minutes, or within 45 minutes. And then I'll move him to his bed and come back to bed and sleep. So as my baby grew, he now he now knows that my presence, he always seek for my presence. So he wants to touch. As he was growing, sometimes he will stretch out his hand. If he cannot feel anything, he will wake up and start screaming. That was where I introduced a stuffy phone for him at the appropriate age when he was around a year. Because below 1 year, you can't put any stuffy animal. You can't be potentially putting your life at risk. They can use that stuffy animal to snuff the breath out of them, so they can use it to suffocate themselves. They can lead to sudden child death, children death, sudden babies death. So don't even put any stuffy animal in your baby's cribs or bed before the age of 1 year. So there you have it.